What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this time we have a place we haven't been anytime soon. Gulches Off-road Park here in South Carolina. First one up, here we go, Rocker Knocker. We haven't been here in a few years. We do have another video. You can check it out on our channel. It's pretty good. We was out here with Off-Road and Chill, but we're out here today with Hancock Off-Road, Mike Hancock and his sweet little Jeep. Let's check it out.
To inform everybody that the trail y'all just watched him go up was the one that he had a winch on, and he just easy peasy just up it.
We got up Rocker Knocker.
All right, next up on the list, TNT and TNT Rock Garden. Got us a little access. Mr. Hancock's going first here. Nice little slick rock. Couple different. What do you think about that? You driving this one?
Oh, we can do it. This one's easy. Oh, well, okay. Well, to clarify, Cole's not her dad. Her dad is down there in the Jeep.
So I can pull this one up, make the hole a little bigger. Boom.
There we go. Kids learning the trade right here.
There we go.
Good job. Give me 5. Yeah.
Tell him to winch it in.
Winch in. Bring it in.
You heard the woman?
Okay. Cole's going to try to do the gnarly line. Yep. Yeah, go, 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 go! Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh! There you go. Woo! Alright. Look what he just came up.
Lockers are overrated. Yeah, they're overrated. Make wheeling fun again. Remove the lockers. got a spare.
You're under that lip.
So we made it up to Shipwreck. As you can tell, it's just a big flat rock. So, got Mr. Mike on here right now. He's gonna get them tires smoking hot. Best he can.
Driver.
Cut back driver a little. Go walk that wall.
Whoa. He's on his diff. You're on your diff.
It's swallowing up that 40.
Hold on. Say it for the people. Say it again.
This is my favorite Jeep ever.
Way better than Hancock Off-road.
Oh, take that.
It's better than my dad's Jeep, but I still love my dad.
Oh, you better still love your dad.
All right. Ashley decided that she wanted to get behind the wheel finally. She's gonna do it. Girl, you're gonna turn driver back up. All right, hold that. Passenger, passenger, passenger. Driver, driver. Oh, look at her. She's beauty. Wally, you did good, buddy. That was good. Right into the back. It's still there, you lucky dog. You slammed it right in the tree. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And if you did like it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. And if you haven't already, go ahead and get registered for our Rager on the Rocks event, which is first weekend of May, 1st through the 4th. You're not going to want to miss it. Check it out on our YouTube, our Facebook, our Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.